Hi, this is Marty Dougherty of the Dougherty Garden, and we're looking at Amaryllis bulbs. This is one pot that have amaryllis bulbs with no bloom on it, but just to give you an idea of what they look like, here is a blooming amaryllis. The majority of the ones that I have are of this color. I do have one that's a stalking red color, a darker red color, but I have yet to see where it's going to bloom. When I bloom on it, I'm going to isolate that, label that, and keep a track of it. So what I'm doing is the bulbs, as you can see, I thought it was basically about 4 bulbs, but I got like 12 or 13 or 14, 15 out in the range right now, and after this growing season I'll probably get 2, 3, 4 more. And this time I'm going to try and capture this little ball that comes about after the time. As you can see, it's all blown up over here. It's getting ready. There's literally hundreds if not thousands of seeds in there. I'm reluctant to cut it off, but I could cut it off. But maybe I'm just looking at it now. I think I'm just going to leave it there because I believe you see all this little puffiness inside there. They have little tiny seeds, about 16 or 32nd or 1/64th of an inch long in size. That's how big they are. Really not that big at all. And I'm just curious. I took 2 or 3 old ones off that were literally about a tenth of the size of this. And I'm just tempted to let this stay on because looking at the size of both, I figure it will blow up similar to the Buddha belly bulb. This is a technical term for this, I don't have it at the moment. But the Buddha bulb will blow up and throw the seeds out. They don't have as many seeds. But this has a ton of seeds on the inside, as you can see. Those little white spots in the back there, all these little white things. There's got to be literally hundreds if not thousands of seeds there. So I'm going to gamble if this one's up because, like I said, I got a bunch of bulbs I already have, and I'm just curious which one is the red one. We'll get there soon. But this is Marty signing off from the Dougherty Garden. Stop by. If you're interested, let me know. Drop a comment in the section. We're all ears. Love to grow. 24/7. Thank you very much. Take care. Good night.